Here we go. Here's what I need you to do for tomorrow. So we're going to look right here at 9:17 to do. Morning meeting. Make a seesaw video showing what it looks like when you are listening to a teacher. Not just what it looks like, but actually like teaching someone. This is what you need to be doing. Writing. Answer the Flipgrid questions and respond to others. So, the Flipgrid question is right here. Share 3 stories: a time you were embarrassed, a time you lost something, and a time you did not get your way. Then respond to 2 others. And I didn't link it yet, but I will have the link to that Flipgrid right here. Math. Complete the task using the picture that was sent home. So you've got this picture. The directions for this are right below. Math directions. Art is everywhere in our world and is intimately linked to math, although we may not always think of it in that way. This activity is about noticing and sharing the maths that is in the art from different cultures. Look for examples of math in the picture. It can be shapes, patterns, or angles. Write on your paper, color it, do what you need to do. We will share them tomorrow on Flipgrid. So on this paper, you're looking for shapes, patterns, angles, anything else that stands out to you as math. Mark it up, draw on it, color it, write, whatever you need to do, and you'll share it on Flipgrid. You also have 20 minutes of Dreambox. Reading. You've got a story to read. You're going to write a 5-finger retell for it on a Google Doc. I hope you have a good day. Please message me if I can help you.